Consider this question as a typical extension of the last question we solved. The question says how many more this triangle shape have to be shaded to make 2 by 3 portion shaded of the given figure. That means you are given some sets of squares joined together to form a figure, and there are some shaded portion, and you have to make the shaded portion 2 by 3 of this whole figure. So from the last question we have seen that this figure, the figure that is drawn over here, this figure, now number of this basic unit is equal to 24. If you have not done that last question, you may revisit that question to make a sense of this particular statement. In short, I can tell you that there are 12 squares. You may count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 squares, and each square can be broken down into two such figures, triangle figures. So 12 number of squares will be equal to 24 basic units of this particular triangle. And now to make the shaded portion 2 by 3. So you see over here. So you have to make the shaded portion 2 by 3. Please try to understand that here whatever you are given over here, here the denominator is 3, whereas our total number of basic unit is 24. So you know that the denominator represents the total number of parts. So you want 2 by 3 and you have got 24 in the denominator, and you want something over here. Suppose let me represent this by x. You want something over here which should be equal to 2 by 3, so that the shaded portion is equal to 2 by 3 of the figure. I hope you have understood what I mean to say. You need to have shaded portion equal to x. Shaded portion, shaded units should be equal to x, and x upon 24 is should be equal to 2 by 3. This is our requirement. So we need to find out this value, the total number of shaded basic units. The shaded basic unit will be, from here you can see that 2 by 3. So as you know that two equivalent fraction, how can you go from one fraction to another equivalent fraction? You need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. So you can arrive at 24 from 3 if you multiply this 3 by what number? If you multiply this 3 by 8. So if you multiply 3 by 8, you will get 8 3s are, or 3 8s are 24. So you need to multiply by the same number with the numerator. So you will get 2 8s are 16. So you see that 16 by 24 is equal to 2 by 3. So from here 16 upon 24, you can understand that you need to have 16 number of this basic triangle or basic part to be shaded to make the shaded portion equal to 2 by 3, because 2 by 3 is equal to 16 by 20. So we can say that total 16 units need to be shaded, but you can see from the figure that there are some portion which are already shaded. So let us count those portion. We have done this in the last question also. Basically this was the question in the last problem. One, here you have got 2 units, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if you draw a line, then you can see that this is made of 2 units. This is made of 2 units. So now already shaded units or already shaded triangle is equal to 9. The question is how many more needs to be shaded. So you see that 16 total needs to be shaded, and you also see that 9 units have already been shaded. So required more units to be shaded. So how many more? That means will be equal to 16, our requirement, minus 9 which are already shaded. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So 16 minus 9, so if you shade 7 numbers, then the total shaded portion, the total shaded units will be equal to 16, and fraction that will come out for the total shaded portion will be equal to 16 upon 24, which will be ultimately equal to 8 3s are 24 and 8 2s are 16, and therefore equal to 2 by 3, which is the question. So you need to shade 7 units more to be shaded. So let us shade 7 units more. This is 1, this is 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, and this is 7. So you see we have got 16 out of 24 numbers, 24 basic units shaded. You can see over here, this is 9 were already shaded. Now we will count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 numbers are shaded and total equal to 16. And therefore 16 upon 24 equal to 2 by 3. I hope you get the point. So the first thing while solving such problem is to break the whole figure into the basic units, and after getting the basic units you please count the number of basic units and get that directly into the denominator and see how much you require to be shaded, and then by doing such calculations you can arrive at the required answer, which is 7, which is there in the option C. So option C is the right answer. So please don't be in a rush. Please try to understand the question. Have a practice more and more, because you see 16 is also one of the option. So you may answer this question wrongly over here. So basic understanding of concept is important before attempting such questions. Good luck. Practice more and more. Thank you.